Hello friends! In this video, I will show you how to set a password in AnyDesk for unattended access. First, launch the AnyDesk software. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical lines. From the drop-down menu, you will see an option to set up a password. If you don't have this option for some reason, click on Settings. In the left side menu, select Access, then unlock the access settings. A pop-up will appear on the screen. In the pop-up, click on Set Password. Enter your password and confirm it in the second box. Remember, your password must be at least 8 characters long and should include numbers, letters, and a special character. Next, click on the permission profile and select Unattended Access if it's not selected automatically. Once you're done, click on Apply. Now, the password has been successfully set in the AnyDesk software. From now on, no one can access your computer through AnyDesk without this password. By following these steps, you can easily set a password for your AnyDesk software.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.